Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the button shortcuts or the hotkeys on this watch. Basically, on this watch you have two button shortcuts you can use. You have the press and hold the upper button, the crown button, and if you press and hold it, by default it will open the Alexa. And the second shortcut is to press the lower button, which opens by default the workout menu, and we can customize it. We can change the things that are opened by performing the shortcuts. So let's open the settings on our watch. To do it, press the crown button to open the menu, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called preferences and tap on it, and here scroll down, find the option called long press upper button and press lower button. Once you find them, you can tap on one of them. So for example, let's tap on long press upper button, and here we can change the action that is being performed by pressing and holding the upper button. So for example, let's select something like let's open music, for example. So now when we press and hold the upper button, it should open the music menu like this. Okay, and now let's go back to the settings and preferences and tap on the lower button this time, press lower button, and here we can change what the lower button shortcut does. By default, like I said, it's Alexa, but not Alexa, it's workout, my bad. But we can change it to something else. For example, let's change it to flashlight. So now when you're on the home screen, you can press the lower button and you can open the flashlight like this. And that's how you change the button shortcuts or the hotkeys on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.